This is Ashish Masih Cars, helping you buy better.
Cautions. In today's video, I'm going to talk about a question which a lot of you have been asking me on my Instagram, and that question is, which car should we buy in the Maruti family? Should we buy the Vitara Brezza or the S-Cross? Both of them are SUVs. Both of them are cars which sell from the Maruti network, but which one makes more sense? Well, first of all, the big difference is that the S-Cross is not a compact SUV. The S-Cross is a much bigger SUV. It's over 4 meters in length, and that also translates into better space on the interiors. You get more space in the back seat, you get a bigger boot, and of course the other big advantage is that you get better ride comfort because the wheelbase also is much longer. So because of that you get more So because of that, you get better ride comfort, be it slow city speeds, be it faster speeds. The ride comfort, the stability of this car is much better. And the S-Cross definitely also feels a little more luxurious. The materials overall are slightly half a step above the Vitara Brezza. And the best part about the S-Cross, of course, is the fact that it sells from the Nexa dealership, which of course is Maruti's premium dealership range. So these are the big advantages that the S-Cross has. Now in terms of the engines, well, you only get one engine option. That's the 1.5. You get the same gearbox, and you actually get the same automatic 4-speed unit as well. So identical things in terms of the engine and powertrain. But do you know that the platform of both these cars is also the same? Yes, the S-Cross, of course, is based on a car which we all know. It, of course, is the SX4, which was sold in India. Now, do you know that both these cars also share the same platform? Both these cars have the same kind of underpinnings. Both these cars are built on slightly modified SX4 platforms. The SX4, which of course was sold in saloon form in India from 2007, and it's a car which was decent in terms of success and decent in terms of overall drivability. Of course, the Maruti Suzuki Vitara Brezza is slightly smaller because Maruti wanted to benefit from the tax exemptions that cars under 4 meters in length get, but now it doesn't get those benefits because earlier it had a diesel which used to get the benefit. Now it only has a petrol 1.5, and to get the benefit you need a 1.2 or smaller capacity unit in petrol. So that's something which no longer is there on the Brezza. That's why it's a little more expensive than some of its rivals. But apart from the engines, the gearboxes, and the basic structure underneath, these two cars, I just said, are very different to each other. Now the Brezza, the advantages that the Brezza has over the S-Cross, the big advantage, of course, is the price. The price is almost $1.5 lakh cheaper than the S-Cross, and apart from that, it does everything quite well. The boot is slightly smaller, the rear seat space is slightly lesser. The overall quality is half a notch below, or maybe less than half a notch below the S-Cross. But apart from that, it really does do everything well. It does do what it's told to do. It drives well. The engine is quite good. It's got decent ride comfort. Highway stability is quite good. It offers you 4-star safety rating, which is quite respectable. And it also offers you decent list of features. It doesn't offer you the best in class or the best in the world features, but it offers you things which should keep you satisfied. So the big question is, at the end of the day, should you rather invest that 1.5 lakh rupees or 2 lakh rupees in some places on the S-Cross, or is the Brezza good enough? Now, personally, I really love the S-Cross. It's a great car. It's a very underrated car in India, and it's a car which simply needs to sell more, and it doesn't sell more, unfortunately. But that said, if you are in the market for an SUV, a compact SUV, and you want to buy a car which is good value for money, then I think the Maruti Brezza is more than sufficient. It offers you 90% of the S-Cross can offer, and it only costs you about 75% or 80% of the price. So that 1.5 lakh rupees that you save, eventually you can actually fill up the car, the fuel in the car for the next 4 or 5 years, and it's a saving which you will truly appreciate. The S-Cross, if you're in the market for a car which is slightly bigger than a compact SUV, you want a little more space, a little more refinement, a little more comfort, a little more ride comfort, then the S-Cross is worth it. But in my book, it's better, especially in these times, to save the cash and buy the slightly smaller Vitara Brezza. So anyways, guys, this was a very short video about the pros and cons of both these cars. If you have any of these kind of questions, you can write it to me on my Instagram. It's flashing below your screen. You can also write to me on Twitter as well as Facebook. And if you have seen this video till the end, then don't leave without subscribing to this channel. It's bye for now, and thanks for watching.